In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ink toner of your Canon ImageCLASS LBP633Cdw printer. Now go to the printer and open the front section. Press this blue handle down, automatically the ink chamber will move out. Replace the ink toners. So just lift it from this handle. It's very easy. Now place your new ink toners here. Let's start with the yellow. So simply place it here. The chip and the yellow mark will face up on the upper side. Then we have to install the magenta. It's very easy to install the ink toners. That's the black. Now slide it in. You will hear a lock sound. Close the front panel. Automatically it will recognize the ink cartridges and your printer is ready to print again. So this way we can replace the ink toner. Thanks for watching.